Hey there guys, Chet here. Today I'm going to show you how to create a dynamic list inside of Brevo. If you want to organize your contacts properly or keep different groups separated, lists and folders are extremely helpful. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link we put down below in the description. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which walks you through everything that you need to know to master that platform step by step. Now let's get started. First, log into your Brevo account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left sidebar. You'll see a section called CRM. Go ahead and click on that. When it expands, you will see several options. From those options, choose Lists. This will open the Lists page on the right side of your screen. Now you are inside the Lists area, and the first thing that you need to do is set up a folder. Folders really help you group multiple lists in a clean, organized way. At the top, you'll see a drop down called All Folders. Go ahead and click it. And then you will see a button that says Create a New Folder. Click that button and a panel will slide in from the right side. Now in this panel, simply enter the name that you want to give this particular folder. It can be anything like, let's go with leads or customers, newsletter, or really any category that fits your workflow. After typing the name, click the Create Folder button. Once you do that, your new folder will immediately appear in the folder dropdown with a label showing 0 lists because nothing has been added yet. Now let's create the actual list that will sit inside of this folder. Look at the top right corner of the lists page and click Create a List. Now this will open another panel on the right. Here you will need to enter 2 things. First, give your list a name. Choose something clear so that you always know what the list is next, what it's used for rather. And then for number 2, select the folder where this list will live. You see the folder that you created earlier in the dropdown. Choose it. Then click the Create List button. As soon as you create it, the new list will appear inside of the folder. This is now your dynamic list. You can access it anytime by selecting the folder from the All Folders dropdown. Brevo shows how many lists are inside of each folder, which really makes it quite easy to switch between them whenever you need. If you ever want to organize things differently, you can switch folders at any time. Just open the All Folders dropdown again and you will see all folders along with the number of lists they contain. You can jump into any folder and select the list you want to work on. That is the complete process. You created a folder, added a list to it, and now you can manage your contacts in a much more structured way. Brevo keeps everything simple, and once your folders and lists are in place, you can use them for segmentation, automations, email campaigns, or really any other part of your marketing workflow. And don't forget, if you want to get started with Brevo, make sure to use that link we put down in the description. You get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months, and it also unlocks a full Brevo course that will teach you how to use the platform. All right, that's how you create a dynamic list in Brevo. Now, if this tutorial helped you, feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.